I don't speak English, but I want my message to reach as many people as possible. That's why this voice is synthetic, created with AI. But everything you'll hear is my real story, real experience. Episode 16, Personal Bags and Packing Logic. When the only thing you have left is your bag, make sure it's packed right. In this episode, I share how I organize my gear and luggage for real-life evacuation, not theory, lived experience. Personal backpack, one per person. This is your core. If everything else is gone, this stays with you. Here's what I packed. Waterproofed essential documents. Cash and cards phone with battery removed. Compact first aid kit, laptop, USB drives, external hard drive multi-tool and emergency bracelet, small flashlight notebook, and encrypted password codes. Charging cables, BIC lighter, markers, pen autonomous GPS tracker, not GSM dependent, document pouch, always worn on chest or belt. Contains ID, passport, cards, and a phone. Never keep all valuables in one place. Theft happens. Child's backpack. Copies of documents, sweets, and favorite toy. A friend told me, we hid cash in the bottom of our kids' bags, sweets on top. The kids didn't know, but we told them to never leave the bag. Main luggage, one or more bags. Items used less frequently go deeper in the bag or car. Toiletries, toothbrush, wipes, soap in a separate small bag. Long-term food in one bag. Short-term snacks in another. Cooking gear, burner, gas, kettle in its own container. Pack logically. Know what you'll need today, tomorrow, and next week. Thanks for subscribing. Check out other episodes in this playlist. Your support means everything. Always be ready. Stay with me a bit longer and just reflect on everything you've just heard. You need to have a plan.